name is Dani. Welcome to Saturdays en Español, the place where you and your toddler can practice Spanish together because now is the perfect age. Today I would like you to learn a Spanish word with me. The Spanish word for truck is camión. Yes, can we practice that together again? Camión. So look what I got here. This is a yellow camión. And I like to play with it. Goes around. It is a drum truck. Un camión de volteo. And that was our Spanish word for today, camión. Don't forget to come back next week for another Spanish word that you can practice with your friends and family. Adios.